Are you tired of thieves taking your packages right off your front door? In our sprint project, we addressed that problem. We had a simple mechanical system with just one input and one output to prevent those thieves and get some good revenge. Anti-theft package, because if we can't have our package, no one else can. Basically, the main premise of this package is a reaction of a Mento and Diet Coke. How it works is the Mento reacts with the artificial sugar in the Diet Coke and it makes a big explosion. So, how we have this set up is we have a servo motor as the output, and then the input is a photocell right here. When there's no light, the servo motor will be down, holding the Mentos in place on the ramp, and then when there's light, this will go up, and then the Mentos can roll into the Coke and explode. So basically, the photocell is set up right here. It is attached to a 10 kilo ohm resistor as well, and then both of those are attached to an analog pin, which right now we have set up as A0, and we designate that in the code. The other leg is attached to 5 volt, which is powered by this battery right here. The servo motor is then attached to digital pin 9 and ground, and also the 5 volt power. So if we see this in action, right now you can see that the servo is in the up position, the 180 degrees, because the photocell is reading light. And then you can see right here, it's reading about 830-ish, 840. And now, if we close the box and take away the light, the servo goes down to the 0 degree position. And you see right here, it's reading more around 260, 250-ish.
Alright, so our code for this project is rather simple. It was originally written by Malcolm Knapp, and as you can see, we have right here included our servo H library. Below it is our variable initialization, such as our sensor value. Below that, we have our setup for the servo. So this line right here, the servo.attach 9, just tells us that the servo is attached to pin number 9. Down here, though, is where the real meat comes in. It's written with an if-else statement, and it says that the light sensor senses a value that is greater than 650, then the gate, the servo motor, will be in the upward position, which means that the box is open. However, if the servo detects a value that is less than 650, that means that the box is closed because there's no light, and that the servo should be in the downward position, holding the mementos back.